video, I will teach you how to make money. Making money can be done in many ways. Here is a simple guide to some common way people earn money. To get a job, you can work for someone such as at a store, office or restaurant. In return, they pay you a salary or hourly wage. Freelancing. If you have a skill like writing, designing, or programming, you can offer your service to people or businesses who need help. Websites like Upwork or Fiverr help connect freelancer with client. Selling product. You can sell thing you no longer need or make thing to sell. You can sell online like eBay or Etsy or at local market. Investing. Investing means putting your money into things like a stock, bond or real estate. The goal is for these things to increase in value so you can sell them later for more money. Start a businesses. If you have a good idea, you can start your own businesses. This could be anything from opening a shop to creating an online services. Next is teaching या tutoring. If you are good at a subject or a skill, you can teach others. You could teach online or in personal. Renting property. If you have extra space, such as a room or an apartment, you can rent it out. Platforms like Airbnb allow people to rent room or homes to travelers. Use apps for a small tasking. Some apps pay you to do a small job like taking survey or testing website. App like Swagbucks or TaskRabbit offer this type of opportunities. Create content online. If you enjoy making videos, writing blogs, or posting on social media, you can make money from ads, a sponsorship, or by selling product. To make money, it is important to be patient as it may take time to start earning. Learn more about the way you choose to make money. Stay focused and work hard. By combining a few of these ideas, you can create multiple streams of income. Here are a few more ways to make money. Sell photo. If you enjoy photography, you can sell your picture online. Website like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock or iStock allow you to upload and sell photo to people who need them for website, ad or other project. Become a virtual assistant. Virtual assistant help businesses with tasks like answering email, scheduling appointment, and managing social media. If you are organized and good with computers, this could be a great option. Sell handmade craft. If you are crafty, you can create and sell handmade product like jewelry, candles, or art. Website like Etsy are perfect for selling your creation to a global market. Do odd jobs for people. Some people need help with tasks like moving lawn, cleaning, or fixing things around the house. You can offer to do this job for payment. Affiliate marketing. If you have a blog, website, or large social media following, you can earn money by promoting product or services. When someone buy through your link, you earn a commission. Become a delivery driver. You can earn money by delivering food or package. Service like Uber Eats, DoorDash, or Amazon Flex allow people to become delivery driver and earn to create an online courses. If you are an expert in something, you can create an online courses and sell it. Platform like Udemy or Technable let you share your knowledge with others and make money. Selling your digital product. You can create and sell digital product like ebooks, printable planner, or designing template. Website like Gumroad or Etsy let you sell digital download to anyone in the world. Renting out your car. If you have a car that you do not use all the time, you can rent it out. Platform like Taro allow people to rent a car for a day or more. Offering pet services. Many people need help taking care of their pet. You can offer dog walking, pet sitting, or grooming service for a free. Do mystery shopping. Companies hire people to shop at their store and report on the customer experience. This is called mystery shopping, and you can get paid for doing it while also getting free product. Create a podcast on YouTube channel. If you are good at talking about interesting topic, you can start a podcast or a YouTube channel. Over time, you can make money from ad, sponsorship, and merchandise sale. Sell your skill or hobbies. If you are good at something like cooking or woodworking, you can teach other your skill for a fee or make and sell your product. You can earn money by playing game. Some website and apps will pay you to play games. Site like Mist Play and Lucktastic let you play game and win reward, which can be turned into money or gift card. You can work as a translator. If you speak more than one language, you can offer translation service. Many companies or individuals need document, website, or video translated. Crowdfunding for a business's ideas. If you have a great business's idea but no money to start, you can use crowdfunding platform like Kickstarter or GoFundMe to raise money for people who believe in your idea. Get paid for your opinion and survey. Many companies pay you for your feedback on their product or services. You can join paid survey site like Survey Junkie or Pincon Research. That's it for today videos. I hope you found this topic on how to make money online helpful and easy to understand. Remember, consistency is key, and with the right strategy, you can start earning from the comfort of your own home. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friend. Also, if you are new here, make sure to that hit that subscribe button and turn on notification so you never miss out on more valuable tips like these. Got any question or need help getting started? Drop them in the comments below and I will be happy to help out. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Stay motivated and keep hustling.